Okay, now here we have one very interesting question. Question is prove that locus of the point of intersection of the normals at the ends of system of parallel chords of parabola is a straight line which is normal to the curve. Now to do this question, we consider standard equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Here we have graph of the parabola. Now we have system of parallel chords. Suppose we choose this system of parallel chords. Okay. When we choose this system of parallel chords, we are actually fixing the slope of the chords. अगर हम डिसाइड करते हैं ये सिस्टम, इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि हम chords का स्लोप जो है वो फिक्स कर रहे हैं. By fixing the slope of the line, we can draw infinite number of lines. Okay. Now consider one such chord which intersect the parabola at points P and Q. Suppose parameter of point P is T1 and parameter of point Q is T2. We have coordinates of points P and Q. P has coordinates 81 square comma 281. Q has coordinates 82 square comma 282. Here T1 and T2 are variables, but slope of the chord is constant, fixed. Now what is slope of the chord? Slope of chord PQ is 2a_T2 minus 2a_T1 upon a_T2 square minus a_T1 square. This is equal to 2 upon T1 plus T2. Suppose this value is m. This value is constant. T1 and T2 are variables, but 2 upon T1 plus T2 is constant. ये possible हो सकता है ना. अगर T1 को increase करेंगे तो T2 decrease होगा. अगर T1 को डिक्रीज करेंगे तो T2 इंक्रीज होगा. सम क्या रहेगा? कांस्टेंट रहेगा, क्योंकि स्लोप जो है वो कांस्टेंट है. फ्रॉम दिस वी गेट T1 प्लस T2 इज इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन m. ओके, दिस वैल्यू इज कांस्टेंट. नाउ वी ड्रॉ नॉर्मल्स टू द पैराबोला एट पॉइंट्स P and Q which intersect at point R. We have to get the equation of locus of variable point R. Here point R is variable because points P and Q are variable points. कैसे निकालेंगे point R का locus? Now coordinates of point R are, we have standard coordinates 2a plus a multiplied by inside bracket T1 plus T2 whole square minus T1 T2 comma minus a T1 T2 multiply by T1 plus T2. Okay, we must close the bracket here. Okay, now in these coordinates T1 plus T2 is constant, value is 2 upon m. Put the value of T1 plus T2. We have this coordinates. Okay, now to get the equation of locus of point R, we must eliminate T1 T2, and it's simple. Suppose coordinates of point R are x comma y. Comparing y coordinates, we get T1 T2 is equal to minus my upon 2a. We put this value of T1 T2 here in x coordinate, so we get x is equal to 2a plus 4a upon m square. Okay, minus a T1 T2. Minus a T1 T2 is from here plus my upon 2. So this is locus of variable point R. Now clearly this is equation of straight line. So one thing is proved that locus is straight line. Next we have to prove that this straight line is normal to the parabola. Now standard equation of normal to parabola, y square is equal to 4ax is y is equal to minus tx plus 2at plus 80 cube. Okay, now we compare these two equations and find the value of t. Check करते हैं compare करके. We have my upon 2 is equal to x minus 2a minus 4a upon m square. Multiply both sides by 2 upon m, we get equation y is equal to 2 upon m multiplied by x minus 4a upon m minus 8a upon m cube. ठीक है ना? Now if we compare these two equations, we find that value of t is minus 2 upon m. अब चेक करो t का वैल्यू क्या आएगा, minus 2 upon m. Minus t is equal to this, so t is minus 2 upon m. Put here t is equal to minus 2 upon m, we get minus 4a upon m, and here minus 8a upon m cube. Okay, so this is equation of normal to this parabola at point whose parameter t is minus 2 upon m. कि ये जो लाइन है, जो लोकस वाला लाइन है, वो पैराबोला को नॉर्मल है, और जिस पॉइंट पे ये पैराबोला को नॉर्मल है उस पॉइंट का पैरामीटर क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस 2 अपॉन एम हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना? तो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, एक लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन है. वी हैव सिस्टम ऑफ पैरेलल कॉर्ड्स, we can have infinite system of parallel chords, but when we consider one system of parallel chords, we are actually fixing the slope of the chord. हमें ये fact use करना है, t1 plus t2 is equal to 2 upon m, which is constant value because slope is constant.